Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. The start to a better life or a better world or a better future is simply to our belief that it is possible. Yesterday's gone, tomorrow's not here. What are you doing right now? Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 282, NASDAQ up 49, S&P's up 23, gold contract up $16.60 at 11.21. Gold broke topside, folks, has the wide price spread, has the volume behind the move. I suspect we're going to be at about the 11.45, 11.50. Next few days, that's on its way up to 11.92. Silver up 26 cents, $14.51. Has the price spread, has volume. Now, silver has a swing point of 14.68. I expect what you're going to see, we're going to go after that more than likely tomorrow or the next day. Platinum caught a bid up $17.50, $8.76 an ounce. Copper up 3 pennies at $2.03 a pound. Light sweet crude up 94 cents, $31.27 a barrel. Oil's still having a tough time, folks. Good trading vehicle, no doubt. It's been consolidating between the 28.50, 31.76. I suspect when we come out with those numbers, though, tomorrow, oil's not going to be able to handle a higher price. Bonds, the 10-year up 6 ticks, 128.23. 30 up 8 ticks, 159.28. Both the 10 and the 30 were testing the highs of last week. 10 failed, 30 is still over the highs. 30 can go higher. 10-year bond, though, that's a failure in price, failure in volume. King dollar down 276 ticks, 99.13. That's a really subtle move. King dollar is making its way down to the 97 mark. We'll see how that handles price tomorrow. It looks to me like tomorrow the King dollar wants to go south and go south pretty good. Euro's up 5 ticks at 108.54. The yen is trading at 118.47. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? We're setting up this B to C of an ABC structure on the way down. You're up. Volume's contracting. We did 134 million shares today in the SPY, up $2.56. You're going into a little swing point that had 168 million. Bottom line, somehow, some way, this baby wants to come all the way up to this 199.83 area, and that's going to be an absolute mind blower. No doubt, folks, no doubt. The Qs, the NDX 100, what do we have with the Qs? What we have with the Qs is this. NDX 100 up 92 cents today, the 3 Qs. 103.15, contraction of volume. I suspect we can get up to about the 109.38 level, and what we are going to have out here at 4:30 this afternoon, Apple's coming out with their numbers. Bottom line, you know, the way Apple's trading, it looks to me like it wants to trade about $5 higher. We'll see where that shakes out. The reason I'm saying that is that what Apple had done, it tested its lows of the 24th of August, rejected the lows, had lighter volume. After the whole move down, Apple went straight down from 123 down to the 92, 93 area, 93.42 to be exact. A dead cat bounce to 105 would be a nice setup for what? For building cars for lower price. That's the way that I'm looking at Apple. So I'm looking that numbers will come out, you bounce up there, we'll bounce a little bit higher. Apple's not done going down yet. Bond market, gold market. What do we have with the gold market? Gold market takes off, gets over its consolidation, has the volume, has the price spread, has all the above. Gold up $17 today. We're at 1122.30. Takes out the swing point, which was generated out here on January 8th. That's 1113. 1153 is going to be pretty easy to get to. Now, at 1153, that's where we had a highly volatile day on the 28th of October. I expect you'll get some flack at that point. We'll have to build some cars to get up into the 1192 area. We go take a look at the silver market, what we have with silver. I really like what silver did out here because silver has been getting whacked on a continual basis. 2 weeks ago, it couldn't stay over $14. It got over it the last few days. Goes north today, has 52,000 contracts, which is great, and is laying right underneath the swing point from December 7th, which is 1464. We hit 1458 today. I expect you're gonna wake up in the morning. It's gonna take that baby out, and with silver's so highly volatile that can take that out. Silver can be at $15.58 in like a heartbeat. I mean a heartbeat. If we go take a look at some of the commodities out here, what was moving, you had oil, heating oil was up 3%, crude oil was up 3%, copper was up 2%, silver was up 1.8%, gold was up 1.5%. King dollar. What do we have with King dollar? Let's take a look at the King dollar. Is pretty subtle, folks. King dollar right now is trading at a price point of $99.13. What it's done is that it's gone sideways for 4 days. It's been in a consolidation. It's had a wicked tough time getting by the downdraft that was created on December 3rd. December 3rd is when Draghi came out with the announcement that he was still going to do QE over in Europe, but they were expecting more. So what ended up happening, the dollar gets smoked, the euro goes to the moon. Bottom line, that 100.70 on the way down to 97 on the 3rd has 124,000 contracts. It's a monster. So what I expect you're going to see first is that the dollar just got outside of the consolidation, meaning it looks like it wants to go not only lower, but I expect we're going to see the dollar's going to make a run for 97.27, which is the lows of December 15th. If we get volume down there, then it's going to be wide open going into this 94.05 area. Big numbers. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. We go over and we take a look at Apple. Apple's going to be all over the place, folks. When the numbers come out right now, Apple closed at $99.99. It's trading at $100. It's going to be 4:30 this afternoon Eastern Standard Time. The number's going to come out. Apple, the mainline number for iPhones, folks, 75 million iPhones. That's what they're going to be looking for as they're pushing these out. Marbell just come out with numbers. Marbell closed at $35.40. Marbell right now is trading at $35.40. Still same number. Numbers go like this in Marbell. Estimate was 63 cents. They made 63. It's amazing how they can do that. How does that work? Revenue estimate was $42.7 billion. They come in at $42.1 billion. Big numbers, folks. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Dow finished up 282. NASDAQ up 49. S&P's up 26. We're going to be right back.